Let's check out this C6 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2006 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, a little over 21,800 on this particular car. Le Mans blue, great color. Ebony interior, of course underneath the hood, the LS2 6-liter. All right, for you fussy folks out there with the front license plate holders, as well as myself, this is mounted underneath the front fascia here, so that license plate's not screwed into the fascia, just a heads up on that. And you can see it is in nice shape as far as the front fascia and hood. Not full of nicks or rock chips. Yeah, you may find one very small one here or there, a touch-up, but overall, yes, that looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. And speaking of the pictures, probably over 100 pictures of this car online. You'll be able to check out the undersides, interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Nicely equipped car too. 3LT package, so it does have the preferred equipment group. Heads-up display is going to be in that. The power telescoping steering column. Memory package, heated seats, auto dimming mirrors, I believe compass and home link. You can see riding on the correct polished wheels. And really free of much of any nicks, dings, scratches up and down the passenger side, as you can see. Now that LS2 is paired up with the 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. And as you can see, leather bucket seats. Some of the other items that were ordered on this car, the navigation system you can see there. It also have the Bose stereo system to it. Exhaust does have an aftermarket exhaust, Flowmaster Force 2. Nothing crazy over the top, nice little rumble. You're going to hear it at the end of this video when I fire it up and we take a listen and check out that engine bay. First though, remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You'll be able to see that exhaust system on the underside pics. Very clean underside of this car also. Does not look like it's been driven in much for inclement weather, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. As we take a look down the driver's side from the rear to front, again, you can see the paint shows well. Really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches on this side also. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the transparent, removable target top on and off. And that is in the rear storage compartment. Check that out in the still pictures. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. We'll start it up. Let you hear it run. Hit a few more of these options. Does have the memory seating over here. Of course, power windows, locks, mirrors. Power seat, both sides. And then take a look at the condition of the seat. Showing a very little wear, which is what you'd expect in a car that's well cared for and with this kind of miles on it. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. And let's see exact miles. All right, here's going to be the exact miles. 21,815. You can also see there's no warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. All the gauge is working. Navigation, magnetic selective ride, electronic dual climate control, heated seats both sides. And of course that heads-up display. You can see that. Let's see if I can get it up a little bit. Kind of tough with the white background. There you can see it. Right about there. So heads-up display, that is adjustable. You can turn it on and off. Brightness, height of it, dash looks good. Can you hear that? Good sounding exhaust. Flip around to the back. Again, nothing crazy over the top. It's nice deep throaty exhaust note. Alright, let's slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood. Check out that engine bay and we'll wrap up this video. So check out the hood liner. There's a good indication it has not been out in any sort of inclement weather. Pretty clean. And then the engine bay. Again, LS2 6-liter V8. It's paired up with that 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Good looking engine bay. And again, you'll be able to check out the engine bay and the undersides, trunk area. All the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, phone number 507-386-1726. Very nicely equipped 2006 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, Le Mans Blue, low miles. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2006 Chevrolet Corvette. It's a nice dark blue color with a black interior. Radio works good. All our gauges are working good. Odometer says 21,813 miles currently. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we wash our cars so we can do these driving videos for you. Accelerates as you would expect, very well. That was in tour mode. There's also sport mode. Looks like a traction control button. There are shift indicators on the steering wheel. This car goes nice and straight down the road. It's really pretty quiet. We've got a see-through roof. That would be the removable top. Handle's excellent. Corner's excellent. It's a smooth ride. I can hear that rumble. It sounds really good. This is an automatic. Makes it even easier to drive. Brakes work well. I'll go around the roundabout here and accelerate one more time. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are pretty good. That's up to 55 really quick. Definitely check this car out, uniqueclassiccars.com.